Today is my speaking test. Guess where? Thank you. Here we go. So, in the first part of the test, I'm going to ask you some questions. So, let's begin. What do you do on holidays? On holidays, sometimes I prefer to stay home, take it easy, or just watch a good series, or maybe a short trip somewhere new. If I have more time, I might plan something different, like bushwalking, hiking, or just hill trekking, or even exploring a new cafe in the city. For me, holidays are all about stepping away from the daily routine, relaxing, and recharging. Do you like traveling? Oh, absolutely. I'm all about traveling. It's like hitting the refresh button. New places, new faces, and exotic cuisine I had never heard of before. Last time in Bandarban, I had bamboo chicken. Delicious. So, yes, traveling, I'm obsessed. How often do you go traveling? I usually travel during my vacations, but I also try to squeeze in short trips when I feel overwhelmed or stuck in a routine. Particularly when things get too hectic, I just need to escape for a bit to clear my mind and recharge. But if I have a longer break, I love the idea of exploring different countries, and it's always exciting to discover something completely new. Okay. How do you feel when you are traveling? Like I mentioned before, traveling allows me to explore new cuisines, cultures, and ways of life. So when I travel, I love to learn about the culture and traditions of that particular place I'm visiting. I try as much local food as possible. I enjoy connecting with the people of that place. Another thing I like to do when traveling is just wandering around and exploring beautiful places. How do you feel when you are traveling? Traveling to the seashore can be incredibly rejuvenating. The sound of the waves, the salty breeze, and the vastness of the ocean can create a calming effect. Thank you. This is the end of part one. Let's move on to part two. This is your cue card. This is your pencil and paper. You can take notes if you wish. You have 1 minute to prepare. Let's begin. Okay, your time is up. Would you like to start now? If I had to pick, I would definitely go for a car trip. Honestly, I'm not keen on a motorbike or bicycle trip, mainly because of safety. A car just feels more secure, especially for longer journeys. I would love to take a trip to the northernmost part of my country, Ponchagor. It's my dream destination because I might catch a glimpse of the peak of the Kanchenjunga, the majestic Kanchenjunga on a clear day. That view is good enough to make me pack my bags right now. I prefer car trips like this, especially for our family tour, because it's spacious, comfortable, and practical. Plus, if it's the rainy season, a car trip is a no-brainer. You don't have to worry about getting soaked or struggling with muddy roads. For me, a car trip is the perfect combination of safety, comfort, and fun. I can't wait to make it happen. Thank you. This is the end of part 2. Thank you very much. May I have the cue card and the pencil, please? Let's begin part 3. I'm going to ask you several questions in this part. What are the advantages and disadvantages of traveling alone? Traveling definitely comes with its pros and cons. The biggest advantage, I think, it gives me much freedom. I can plan my day however I like. I can go at my own pace and be as spontaneous as I like. Even if I feel like changing plans last minute, no problem. It's all up to me. But again, it's not always perfect. It can feel lonely at times during long trips, or when I face unexpected hiccups like handling everything alone. It's stressful, lost luggage, flight delays, all on me. So while it's freeing, it's also a bit difficult. What would you recommend a foreigner to visit in your country? Yes, definitely. My country offers lush green landscapes, longest beach, beautiful rivers, and much more. My country's people are known for their warmth and hospitality, which will enhance a foreigner's travel experience. The flavorful dishes, rich culture, and history make my country an exciting destination. We not only have rural charm, but the city life is quite vibrant as well. So, yes, I will definitely recommend a foreigner to visit my country as they will have an enriching travel experience. Okay. Is traveling good for the environment? Not really, to be honest. Most of the time, traveling isn't great for the environment. Planes, they pump out so much carbon, it's crazy. And then there is overcrowding. People swarm these natural spots, trash gets left behind. But it's not all doom and gloom. Eco-friendly travel is growing and it's picking up steam. Some places use tourism money to protect nature and support conservation. Travelers learn to appreciate the planet more. So it's a mix. It can hurt, but it can help if we are mindful of it. Okay, thank you. This is the end of the speaking test. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you.
হ্যাঁ ওইটা হচ্ছে ঝামেলা খালি গাড়ির পিছ থেকে পাস করতেছে ট্রাভেলিং definitely comes with its pros and cons. Allah. And something different. Bushwalking, like bushwalking.
ধরে থাকলে চলে রাইট না 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 ধরে থাকেন একসাথে ধরে থাকেন অন্য হাতে ভিডিও করে